Who is this boy? Oh, he can drift. He can drift. What's the drift prince gonna pull off for us today? Woo! 180 reverse entry. He pulled off the baby driver move.